So welcome to the unboxing of the Shark pump from Outdoor Master. First bit of kit I bought from them, and I bought it because I wanted a quicker and easier way of inflating my two Red Paddle Co SUPs. There's a ton of good reviews about this piece of kit online, and I took the plunge and bought it. Instruction manual there and a reminder we'll talk about later, and then a metre long durable hose with a screw end on each end, bag of valves and attachments, and then the pump itself, quite tight in the box, well packaged, and as I said before, first piece of kit I've bought from Outdoor Master, and it feels really nice and durable. Well made, nice piece of kit. Got a nice finish to it, decent clear display, and then on the end there are the inflate and deflate nozzles. On the bottom, a couple of different air inlets. Bear that in mind when you're deciding where to place the thing down. 3 metre long cable there with a 12 volt adapter on the end for plugging into your car. It doesn't come with a mains adapter, but I'm assuming that's because they assume that you're going to want to use it out in the field by the waterside, maybe where you can get your car to. Nice robust feel when you screw the hose on, and then on the other end are screw adapters for depending on what piece of kit you're going to try and inflate. That's the one I'll be using the most, which is the H3 adapter for the Red Paddle Co boards I have. It depends what type of SUP or kayak you're going to inflate, depending on what you want to use. 2 air taps there, a thin and a thick, for inflating all sorts of inflatable unicorns on holiday. The 3 different valves and a couple of spare gaskets. Then the reminder about where to place the pump in use, and the instruction manual in multiple languages. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably going to want to use the English. Page in the instruction manual that shows you the different valves, and there you go, you've got the S2 I think it is, and then the H3 in the middle, and that's the one that I'll be using for the Red Paddle Co boards I have. I'm not sure what type of valve your piece of kit will need, but the website assures us that this is all that you will need. And then there's the 2 air taps, thick and thin, for blowing up your inflatable crocodiles around the pool. I hope that's all helped. If there are any questions, please leave comments in the box below.